Alright, I just want to mention something about my ProKnees. Now, it's not that my knees are good at sports or anything, it's what goes on them to protect them. And when they say ProKnees, because that's the brand name, it's not just about your knees, it's about your shin, your feet, your back, your neck. It really solves all of the problems that guys like flooring guys have, especially tile guys. So with these knee pads, like I say, knee pads are almost too simple of a word. What they do is it takes the weight and covers it over your whole shin. So instead of all the weight being on the knee, which even with the best knee pads, that's all it is, it's protecting just the knee. These spread it out over the whole shin. And because of that, the way you sit, the way you kneel, helps with everything else, your back and your neck and all that. So this here part at the bottom helps to hold it up so when you walk around, they don't slip and glide around. So by kneeling down, you can see that it's not just all the pressure down there, it's across the whole shin. And that is what I love about these things. These particular knee pads are about 3 years old or so, and I use them all the time, and I absolutely love them. I try and keep them in the best condition as possible, but of course with anything, they wear out. But 3 years on the same knee pad, that's the best I've ever gotten on any, let alone ones that work so well. Highly recommend you try them out. The price will scare you, I can almost guarantee, as it did me. But after working on a large commercial job and coming home practically crippled, finally spent the money, bought the knee pads, and couldn't believe the difference one day made. I came home that night and I was able to play with my kids, whereas before I could barely even get to the couch, let alone play. Basically, buy insurance for your knees. If you can justify it, it's so easy to do so because it's a great product. I believe it's ProKnee.com, so ProKnee. And yeah, great product. Highly recommend them.